Hello dears, let's look at today's trade which happened in a Nifty. I'll explain the concept or I'll explain the logic of the trade which I took. So let's see the today's zone which happened in Nifty and Banknifty. So this was a today's zone, Nifty, and this was happened in a Banknifty. So initially we got a BYF trade in a Banknifty in the first minute itself. In the fourth minute, right? But I missed the trade completely because I was very late to desk. Here I mentioned here, but this was actually very good trade. So it happened around about 250 points within a few minutes. But it happened. Sometimes we have to miss the trade to capture a good trade. It all in the game we have to overcome all these things. So the first trade was done. So this was the first trade happened in the initial point itself, and the next. So after a few minutes, I can find out that it is not. It is in a somewhere in a confusion state of. It is not an uptrend or neither a downtrend. So it was in a bit of confusion state. I don't want to trade these things, so I will stay away from this thing. So I have find out that if the price accepted above 35,060, then it is a continuation of an uptrend. That is what I analyzed. I have posted it at 10 o'clock, and this is what happened after the 10 o'clock. The price, let me go to the Bank Nifty. So this was at 10, so where the price was around 34,900 and this was around 35.50. So it takes more than 1.5 hours after my post, and the price accepted above, and it was a continuation of a uptrend. So that is what I discussed, and that is what I have shared in the Telegram group, and it happened. So after after at 11 o'clock, I got opportunity and the Nifty to short the market. Is at 11 here. So this was one of my point where I was looking for a short entry bit. I was expected the buyers were weak, so expected the price will go down, but unfortunately that doesn't happen. It takes my SL within a minute, so it was a 15 points SL hit done. And the next, as I mentioned there, I was observing the zone of 35,050, and after that there was a clear uptrend happened, right? So let's look at this trade. So this trade was posted a message in the STMP group that we can look for a long in Nifty at 1245. So where is 1245? This is So this is a 1245 candle. So I said it is good to go for a long. So it was happened, and there was a good trade which happened for 80 points, which I discussed here, which I posted in this chart. So this is where a trade happened at 1245, and the first target I exited 50% position, and this is the first target because of see 16,815 is a one of our zone. So I don't want to take more risk, so I exited from 50%, and the remaining percentage I kept SL in the cost. And the next 25% I exited at 16,850. The reason is I don't see the buyer strength were very big at that point, so I don't want to take more risk, so I exited another 25% of a position, and the remaining same at cost. And the last exit was exited at 315 before this fall happened. So totally I have captured a 60 rupees with an SL of 10 rupees, which is around 1:6. So I made an around close to 3,000 rupees per lot. So this is what a trade happened in a Nifty. And if you are new to this channel, and if you are new to this video, if you want to understand how market works, how we are trading without any indicator or a chart pattern, I request you to join for this Telegram channel, so you can understand how things work in the market. You can also understand the market reality. Also, you can subscribe this channel, and I'll post regular videos so that you can understand the market in a more clear way. Thank you. Together we grow.